You text her, no reply. You call, she's suddenly busy. She's colder, distant, and it feels like the woman who once lit up around you is slowly slipping away. Most men panic. They chase harder, blow up her phone, beg for attention, or try to win her back with grand gestures. But the truth is this: the more you chase, the further she runs. In this video, we'll uncover the right way to re-attract a woman who has pulled away using timeless Stoic principles of self-control, discipline, and presence. Because you don't re-attract her by chasing. You re-attract her by becoming the man she cannot ignore. Let's start with: why does women pull away? Loss of attraction, emotional overwhelm, testing boundaries, outside distractions. You can't control her actions, only your response. Pulling away is not always rejection. It's often a test. Different wrong way. Most men react when women start pulling away by panic texting and calling, which shows neediness, begging or pleading, which lowers respect, trying to buy back attention with gifts or flattery, venting anger or acting cold, which shows emotional weakness. 1. Detach emotionally. Don't take it personally. Emotional discipline makes you more attractive. Use silence as a power move, not punishment. 2. Rebuild masculine presence. Work on yourself. Gym, discipline, hobbies, growth. Women are drawn to energy, not apologies. Show, not tell, that you are unshaken. Live in accordance with virtue. 3. Create space for desire. Space rekindles curiosity. Stop being always available. Pull back, which allows her to feel your absence. Stoic silence means strength, not neglect. 4. Controlled re-engagement. After distance, reconnect calmly. Avoid long, needy messages. Send thoughtful, short, purposeful communication. Let her curiosity lead the interaction. 5. Show change without announcing it. Don't say, "I've changed." Show it. She notices energy, not excuses. Consistency, discipline, and calm behavior means proof. Stoic actions is greater than empty words. Now, what if she still pulls away? Accept reality with calm strength. Not every woman returns, and that's okay. Desire only what depends on you. Walk away with dignity. Here is the ultimate Stoic mindset. Don't re-attract for approval. Re-attract because you've mastered yourself. Women respect men who live by principles, not emotions. True attraction means her seeing you as a man she can't replace. Attraction is not about tricks. It's not about begging, chasing, or trying to prove your worth. The right way to re-attract a woman who pulled away is simple. Stop chasing her and start becoming the man who doesn't need to chase. When you embody Stoic calm, discipline, and self-respect, she feels it. She notices the difference. And whether she returns or not, you've already won. Because the truth is this: the greatest power you can have is not re-attracting her, but mastering yourself.